Hi, I'm Kyle Jorgenson. I'm at Fiber Nation today. This is Anthony Evans with Fiber Nation. This is Dave Arbon with Fiber Nation. They're good friends of mine and good friends of RMT. We've known each other a long time. Dave, how long have we known each other?
A little over 16 years.
It's been a good relationship. Dave, he is really known in the industry and knows a lot of people, and it's a good person. We really enjoy the relationship we have with Fiber Nation and Dave and Anthony. Anthony, what do you think of some of the machines that Revolution Machine Tool has supplied? The quality, the type of machines that you purchased from us. How has it worked out for you guys?
Well, I'll tell you, Kyle, it's been a very good experience working with RMT, and the quality of the machine is absolutely exceptional. Our customers are happy, the tolerances are great, and customer service and the support, and we really appreciate your service.
It'll continue. I mean, again, we like supporting our machines, and we have a lot of good relationships with a lot of customers, but again, you guys are some of our favorite customers. Dave, tell us a little bit about your history with me. I mean, we've known each other a long time. How many years ago did you buy a machine from me?
16 years ago, I was introduced to Kyle, and to date I've bought 16 machines, including 2 fiber lasers, half a dozen press brakes, milling machine, bandsaws, and that was for another company I had. With this company that's been in business for 5 years, the relationship continues. Machines do what they're supposed to do. The ROI is fantastic. And if we do need service, which isn't very often, they're very quick.
Thank you. The machine behind me, this machine is only about 2 years old. We run it 2 shifts, almost 3 with the automation, right?
Yeah. So this particular machine at this location, we bought 2.5 years ago. We run 2 shifts manned, and then we run an automated shift at night. So essentially runs 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. And so you're looking at, there's probably 7 years on this machine.
So, and it's exciting ROI, I would imagine. The fiber laser, the cut quality. I mean, we know our machines, has been really, really good. You picked up a lot of customers by purchasing the fiber laser, am I wrong?
Yeah. So we pride ourselves on quality and lead time. And the fiber laser is exceptional for speed, and for quality, it's second to none.
That's pretty good. Your first fiber laser is in another location, but it's, 5 years old now?
Yeah, just under 5 years.
We're still, obviously still supporting that machine. And Fiber Nation's also looking at a 6x20, correct?
Yeah.
6x20 fiber laser, and probably going to augment it with a 20-foot press brake.
So at this particular shop, this is a job shop. Every day we have different products come in and out, different materials. The reason we decided to go with fiber at this shop is because we like to cut in the precious reflective metals. Copper, brass, bronze, silver, gold. Being a job shop, different thicknesses, different materials. I mean, fiber's the only way to go.
It's been good, huh?
Yeah, it's been very good.
Part of the shop, really. Anthony, what do you think some of the ROIs, and you guys studied a lot of different processes years ago. I mean, why did you decide on a diode or fiber laser?
Basically, it comes down to pricing, costs. Our overhead, our operating costs, we're competitive. Keeps our competitive advantage to the market, to obviously the foreigner. And that's something we have to deliver because customers need parts immediately. And that's something that we can do here, and we can do it cost effectively rather than waiting for an overseas shipment or something coming from someplace else. So it allows us to remain competitive with our customers, providing better service, support, and quicker turnaround times. And especially with adjustments, that's another thing. Anytime tolerances are an issue, or let's say their schematics might be off or something, we can deliver quickly, and it's been a great thing for us.
So you brought a lot of work. A lot of your customers, a lot of them you have right now had products being built in, say, China. They're bringing out inshore and all that stuff, and you're picking up a lot of that work because you're actually beating China.
That's right, we are. That's exactly right. So and this machine has allowed us to do it, whereas we wouldn't have been able to with other equipment.
That's good.
Along with that line, it's also quality control and R&D. you're going to send a part out in China, you really don't know the type of material, the impurities, any contamination of that material, and then comes back and hopefully it's bent right, it's welded right, it's cut correctly, your tolerances are there. Being in the States, we do a lot of work out of Utah. It's nice that we can get a part sent out with a day or two. They can review it, bring it back. Everything looks good. We're cutting 1,000, 10,000 parts within the next few weeks for them.
But yeah, you guys do a lot of work in Utah. Dave always tells me, don't sell any more lasers in Utah, but we sell and support machines basically all, North America. We've got quite a few installs, and we've got some happy customers. We got some really good customers that are good friends of ours, and it's been a good road or a trip for us. And we would love the opportunity to build that relationship and learn and grow with you also. And we appreciate your time.
Thanks,
Thank
Kyle.
you.
Yep, and I highly recommend RMT. Kyle and his staff are awesome. They do what they say. They're honest, fair pricing, and if there ever is an issue, they're on it. So
we care. Thank you.
Thanks.